recording.
It's prime time, everybody. It's me, Sam Prime, and I'm here with Lightning playing Royal
Sup,
Realm.
bitches? Lightning here. Today we're playing Royale. Let's get the epic 3 Royale, brothers. Wow!
There goes monetization. Oh wait, we don't need it now.
We don't even have it because we're small.
Where do you want to go?
Like, fuck it. Tilt the tower place. YOLO. Can we get this video to hit 1,000 likes if we get Victory Royale?
Oh my god, Lightning, there's so many people.
I'll kill them all. I actually have confidence in this game. Now it's probably all going to fall apart. Oh, I landed right on the chest, boys. Damn, look at that. We already got some healing.
This person has a gun.
I hear people. I'm coming.
Nice.
Shot him up quite a bit. I don't know what this button does. I'm going invisible. He's flying away. Got teammates. No, that's not his teammates. That's. Oh fuck. Oh. This is not epic.
I'm running.
Oh, here we go. Come on, try me now. Try me, bitch. Ow, fuck, she tried me.
She tried you?
Yeah, she tried me. You ran away.
Is it epic?
Yes, but I got a rifle.
Where are you building that? Okay, you're in this building. No, I'm coming.
Run.
I'm here.
There's three people.
Why? This is fucking. Did you put on squads by accident?
No, I didn't. I pressed duo. They're
You
against
did?
each. They're
Are you
against.
sure?
Yes, they're against each other. They're just together.
Oof.
Run like bitch. Run like bitch.
Ah, I'm not pussy.
Wow, I'm like, okay. Well, now I'm coming back.
Restoring some health.
Stay the fuck away from me, pussies.
Okay, he's dead.
That's a victory royale right there.
Upstairs.
Get this. Let's get this faggot, boys. Chicken. He jumped out the window. What the fuck? Tell him, wizard.
Ooh.
Did you see that? He's a wizard.
Yes, he is.
Oh, epic.
Oh, that's epic.
Armoring up.
Ah, revolver. That's epic.
Someone else is coming.
And we're all
Yep.
get him.
Yeah, I see them. They're downstairs. They're at the door.
Cover.
Ow! That's not epic.
I'll show you what's epic. You doing this? I never threw this thing.
I shot him twice for free steam.
I'm not checking.
Fuck it, that's not epic. Fuck it, the window's blocked.
Lightning, I'm upstairs.
What? Fuck, I
Lightning! You.
I just went outside. Oh, this ain't epic. This ain't
He's
epic.
inside.
This
What
ain't
are you
epic.
doing?
This ain't epic. Listen, there's like 50 fucking people. I'm fucking panicking my ass off right now.
Okay, this is what I want you to do. I want you to go in there, get my stuff. I have enough stuff to revive me, I bet.
Listen, there's fucking. I don't know how many teams there are. That ain't a person. That's impossible. That's not a person.
Yeah, to your right.
That was not.
But up there.
Listen,
In there.
they're all enemies right now. I'm trying my hardest to get this epic victory royale. That's in the wall. I have no healing.
I'm dead. How do you think I feel? Okay, this time what you do. Sneak to the forge.
You're right. While they're distracted. I'm gonna try my hardest, but they're probably gonna know that I'm forging it, and I need to forge healing badly. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull this off.
You use your
Okay,
press
everybody,
L1.
make sure
Press
to hit the
L1.
like button right.
L1.
L1.
You have,
L1.
you have the healing totem.
Mine's
press-
X. I forgot. All right, everybody, make sure to like the video right now to try and help us get that victory royale. I'm done. I'm done doing that. No.
Yeah, you sound like
I'm
one of
not
those
him.
corny freaking YouTubers.
I sound like Allie
11.
Oh no, there's fucking people now.
I'm almost back, don't worry. 4.
You're gonna come back as a chicken, so you gotta stay near me.
Chicken.
Welcome back.
I have my weapons too.
They're outside.
Yep, they're right there. Four.
Chicken. I'm gonna go get him.
I'm back.
Get your chicken ass back here, boy!
On my way.
I hear
That's
others.
epic!
Get in here with me.
You're welcome!
Yeah, they're outside. I hear them. I'm forging healing in.
I'm forging a relic. Cause that's
Can't wait
epic.
to put this to
You want
good
that?
use.
No, I like the first one.
Learn up.
Yeah, I can't use this axe, so if you want the axe, you can have it.
I don't really like axe, so no.
Okay,
I'll
I'm
stick with my
dismantling it.
revolver and shotgun. Yeah, I'll just stick with my revolver and shotgun.
I'm crafting one more thing.
I got reduced cooldown for abilities. That's epic. I gotta stop.
Yeah, you gotta
I
stop.
start doing it. I start doing it, and then I keep doing it.
Ooh, this is like a burst. It's a burst pistol.
People fucking 15. He's down there. This guy can't be human. He can't be human. That's Fisk. This is impossible. I swear, this has gotta be AI. This has gotta be AI. I have to Google this.
Nope, he's using the horse. Yeah, there's something going on.
There's something going on where you think they're not human, right? It's just a seem human, right?
It doesn't.
Like, sometimes, maybe it's probably Phil. I remember saw something about this, because this game's kind of old. I remember something about this, like, years ago, like 2 or 3 years ago, maybe. That
See that?
said,
Oh, look at that weapon he got
this
for you.
game was full of AIs a bit. Whoa! 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 My kill! You bastard!
Look at the weapon he dropped
might
you.
need that. Yeah, better revolver.
No, look.
That's epic.
I staff it.
Personally, I don't like how slow it is, so I'm going to dismantle it. I'll wait for like a lightning staff or something.
Yeah, if you see all my abilities, all my weapons, I'm heading back to the forge, real quick.
I'm healing myself. We might have to go to a different forge because like this one's probably max out almost.
It is, but like I can, I don't really want a weapon. I just need runes.
Oh yeah. Well, I need to make shield potions.
The forge
I can't make any
idea,
more shield
the forge
potions.
idea is unique. I like that.
Yeah, I like that. Fortnite's unique, but I just don't like the building. Because people learn to, like, they do way too much. They rely on it like fucking butter on fucking bread.
Yeah, the only thing I can get here is an ability, but I already have an epic ability. I have this.
I guess I'll get a weapon. Maybe they'll give me a lightning spear. They're calling it right now. 1,000 likes, lightning spear. Wow, I just realized I got 4 kills. I feel epic.
I really just want to kill myself and hope you don't resurrect me.
I really just want to stop. I just revive you again, like, welcome back! Now that's epic!
I'm gonna see if this ability's gonna be good or not.
Please give me lightning spear. That's not lightning spear.
That's
No,
a
it
stone
just has-
staff.
Have gifted me this power.
I mean, it's gonna be powerful, so I'll use it. I mean,
Wait, shh. They're here. I hit him. 145.
see them. It's multiple. Yeah, that's pretty good. 252 damage. That's just one bullet that missed. Boy, that's my kill, you bitch! Yep, down one. Going for him. I hope you get this guy. There he is. Come back here, but. Oh shit.
We're kind of splitting off. I'm pushing back towards you.
Oh fuck. No. The storm's gonna kill me. The storm's gonna kill me.
I can revive you. You can get over here.
Still alive. Still alive. Running away.
I got him. I'm gonna head in real quick so I can
I
dismantle
love
this
the
stuff.
music.
Okay. I'm gonna revive you real quick, okay?
Well, you can't revive me. I
yeah,
have to. Run away.
wrong game.
Wrong game. This ain't Fortnite.
Oh, if you
I
want to...
dropped my lightning. I dropped my spear.
Yeah, I saw
picked
it. It's at
machine
the
gun.
edge. It's at the edge.
At the edge. Okay, I'm gonna go grab it then.
By the way, I have 200 points. Is it not there?
No, it's gone.
Oh my god.
I think he dismantled. There's
Oh.
another guy over there. There's.
Follow me. Let's
I
just...
think he dismantled. The motherfucker dismantled my fucking thing. That bitch.
Storing some health.
I don't even like machine gun.
I think there's someone over here.
Yeah, I saw them.
And
There is a player that went after a supply drop.
You want to go, or... It's up to you.
YOLO.
I hear them. Yep, right here.
Well, they.
That was just... And look at that! New staff!
Lightning!
Gifted me this power.
Fire lightning!
Look at that. Everything turned out in the end. Ooh, venom pistol.
Firebomb. Well, dodge roll. Sure. And
Oh.
burst rifle. No, it's purple.
I already have a venom weapon. Okay. That's a venom
Yeah, you
pistol.
already did.
I didn't know that. I didn't know
Okay,
this was venom.
we need to go now.
Nope, duplicate.
Lightning spear! Okay, wait, there's a door right over here. I thought for a second we were actually trapped in here. Oh, there's no fucking forge inside the circle.
Dude, yeah, and we don't have... As long as we play smart. Play smart. I have
yeah,
7 healing.
Yeah,
so-
we just gotta stay high. I have 7 as well. And also
Okay.
have the healing totem.
Oh, I also need to heal.
Filling up.
Yes, you do.
That's good for now.
We both have 5 kills. I say we try and stay high.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Oh, this is scary.
Oi, 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 oi.
Oi, 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 oi.
This video has actually I've been non-stop action so far, actually.
Yeah, that's my last game too. It's non-stop action, really.
Oh, what the... Lightning.
What?
There's a sniper, and you know I do double damage with snipers.
Yeah, I've never used them, so I don't know how they work. So I was lagging a bit. I don't know if it's my internet connection or my Elgato freaking out. It's not showing up in the video, so it might be the Elgato.
Alright.
So this could be just a
I got
mental.
a sniper and pistol.
Oh my god, look at the player count.
Yeah, I know. Bro, I'm like a freaking Call of Duty loadout. I have a sniper and a pistol.
As long as I can hit them with the lightning spear and get rid of their shield, we could do this.
I do
have
more than
confidence.
1,000 damage with this thing. I'm supposed to do more than
If you can
1,000.
hit them, yes. And I can hit them, yes. This is why I like mage. I like using magic stuff. We have the high ground.
Anakin. I'm gonna grab something.
I wasn't gonna say that because fucking no one was here, okay? Is it my? I think my old god. I'm gonna have to restart the software. I'm not sure. Because I was doing this in the battle, the giant bloom thing as well.
There's an,
just
wait, there's an epic thing over here if you... Oh, wait, no, you're good, never mind.
No, I don't want it. I'm just focused right now. 1,000 likes right now. We're gonna go viral.
I'm looking for the slightest of movement.
That's why I'm gonna check down here.
Like, even if you think it's a figment of your imagination, say it.
They're right. I see him. Fucking between 50 and 30.
I saw him.
He's down the cliff. I shot him quite up a bit.
Yeah, I see him. I hit him.
Got him too.
He's chicken. Dead.
Dead. One. There's one. There's one left somewhere. Stay on your fucking guard.
I am.
No, you got stay up here. Stay up here. Stay up here. If we stay up the high ground, I know what I'm doing. I've played PUBG. Damn it.
Yeah, he's not there. Wait, hold up. Okay, I thought I saw him move. It was just a storm.
I'm constantly moving, man.
Yeah, if we don't like it sniped. I see him.
Where?
On his horse.
It's not player. It's not player. Well, it might be. He's jumping. Yeah, it is a player. Ah, look at that epic aim. And
Dead.
victory royale.
Crown
What did I
Royale!
say? What did I say, boys? Victory royale.
We had 12 eliminations.
1,000 likes.
Let's go. 12 eliminations.
Oh, volume winning.
Okay, you want to go on to the next?
Well, I had 7 eliminations. How much do you have?
5.
Yes.
You,
Yes.
you want to go for another game?
Fuck yeah. Let's keep this going. Let's see if we can get 2 in a row, boys.
That's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type